Hello, this is Earl Nightingale for Soundcheck Studios, Fort Myers, Florida.
Southwest Florida.
The landings, not out of reach, just out of this world. The landings.
We take pride in your ride. Lead trend. Have some fun with us. Ride the bus. Lead trend.
Beck's, the #1 imported German beer.
Building for the future with Lehigh Corporation.
Davis Fort Myers, Greyhound track, you can bet on it. For the future of us all, we've got to stretch it. For the future of us all. Whoa, yeah, let's stretch it. Every drop counts. If sunshine doesn't have it,
You don't need it.
you'll find it there at Royal Palm Square. There's a party going on at the Greyhound track. The dogs are hot, and that's a natural fact. The star of the show is the Sheraton.
Are you in the market for a jingle or a commercial? This particular jingle you're listening to now was produced by Soundcheck Studios and was used in a commercial for The Landings, which won the award for Southwest Florida's Best Commercial of the Year.
The landings, not out of reach, just out of this world. The landings.
To us at UPS, this is a custom car. Why, this beauty's been modified dozens of times. It has a fiberglass fuel-efficient front, a rapid-opening foam-filled door, and a sunroof, all of which makes us more efficient, so we can deliver next-day air for up to half what other companies charge, and allow our drivers to be seen in one mean set of wheels. UPS, we run the tightest ship in the shipping business.
Today's small cars are tougher than ever on oil. Their high-compression engines not only rev high, they can run hotter than regular small car engines. Their searing heat can begin to break down an oil immediately. That's why there's Castrol, the only leading motor oil that in every grade provides maximum protection against viscosity and thermal breakdown. So use Castrol before your engine does something to get you heated up. Castrol, engineered for today's smaller cars.
Suzuki Marine, we're working hard to bring you the best performance. We take pride in our name. Innovation is our game. Dependability, that's what we are. Suzuki Marine, Langford Ford, Jeep Eagle, making those good old country deals.
Be sure to check out the Ford First Time Buyers Program at Langford Ford Jeep Eagle. For a good old country deal, it's Langford Ford Jeep Eagle on Highway 29 South at LaBelle.
Langford Ford, Jeep Eagle, making those good old country deals.
Y'all spoken here.
Worked all week and I could use a break. I need an ice cold beer and a sirloin steak.
I'm gonna grab a few friends, got no time to waste. We need to kick back and I know the place. The Johnson boys will be there and the sister too. And Betty drove a Buick in from Baton Rouge.
I'll meet you there about 6 o'clock with a Roadhouse margarita filled right up to the top.
So pack up, pick up, let's get with it. Anything you want, you can get it at Bubba's.
Let's go down to Bubba's. Still think about last Friday night when Billy had a beer and started feeling right.
People at the bar were starting to stare when he was dancing in the aisle of the dining room chair. Johnson boys were standing by the wood fire grill. If Betty hadn't got there, they'd be standing there still.
She got that big baked potato, it was about 1.5 pounds. Put it down in a minute just to make them laugh.
So pack up, pick up, and let's get with it. Anything you want, you can get it at Bubba's.
You know, Betty's looking pretty good these days.
Yeah, I think she's sweet on you. What?
Where she walks.
Then what you waiting for, boy?
What do you say?
Pack up, pick up, let's get with it. Anything you want, you can get it at Bubba's.
Let's go down to Bubba's. Come on, fella.
A friend for life on Arcadia Street at the shelter. They're waiting for you.
The average cost per day to manage the Lee County Humane Society is $1,600. Your membership or donation will help provide food, shelter, and care. Please join us and help our animal friends.
You can find a friend for life. They've got so much to give at the shelter. They're waiting for you. We got a whole lot of good ribs, a whole lot of good down to the bone, a whole lot of good times at Rib City. Take it home, yeah.
Gonna have some fun in Queston tonight.
If you want country, you got it. We have a great staff of versatile country players, and Soundcheck has the talent and experience to produce top quality music for any purpose. In fact, all the music you've been hearing was recorded at Soundcheck Studios. If you are in the market for a jingle or any audio productions or just need further information, call us at Soundcheck Studios in downtown Fort Myers.
Contact us at soundcheckstudios.us or call 239-340-0515.
Now, if you're in business for yourself, or if you hold a decision-making position for a company, set aside some time to meet with the people at Soundcheck. Thank you. This is Earl Nightingale.